first of all, let's create a query in SQL Server. Okay, so I'm going to create a query, simple query first. Simple state. Okay, and total sale. So sum of sales. Okay, please everyone create this query. Okay, done guys.
Done, sir.
Let's create a new report in SSRS. Add new report. Okay, and let's make a bar chart first. Okay. Now let's first of all let's add a data source. Please everyone add this. And now add a data set. Okay, and let's check a column here. Okay, let me know why when once done. Done everyone. Now, if you want to add a chart in the Power BI, in the SSRS, okay, right click in the white space, insert, and you get the option called chart. Okay. If you want to add a chart in the SSRS report, right click in the white space, insert, and then chart. When you click on the chart, okay, then SSRS show different types of chart for you guys. Okay. So this is a column chart. Okay. This is a line. This is a shape. This is a shape. This is a bar. This is an area. This is a range and different. So these type of chart is shown. This type of chart is offered by the SSRS to you. And if you click on the line, it's automatically jump to that one. Okay, clear everyone? Any question, any query?
So can you
Okay,
repeat this one, sir, for the chart?
right click on the white space, insert and chart.
Yeah, got it, sir. Same like the we had image also, image or list, make a list also.
Yeah. Okay, so let's add a first column chart, double click. Okay, now the blank chart is added here. Okay, please everyone. So now we add the chart. Now the next step, we need to define that, okay, which column value go to the row x-axis and which column go to the y-axis. True, guys? Yes or no? So now same thing, you just click on the chart and then automatically show here. What is the value? What is the category? Okay. When you click on the chart, automatically chart data come here. And here you can see the value section and the category section. And if you see that there is a plus symbol here. Okay, guys. So in the value section, we are going to show the total cell. When you click on the plus symbol, it automatically show all the column from your data set. Okay. So let's choose the total cell. Okay, done. And in the category section, let's choose state. Okay. Done, my friend.
Done, sir.
Now you can increase the width of the chart because we have lots of state. True, guys? If you see in the query, we have approximately 49 state, 49 row here. True? So now let's make some space. Okay. And now it's done, guys. Now just click on the preview. And now you can see the data. Okay. Now the question in your mind, why Raman is showing only few state name? Because he adjusting the value, guys. True. He auto adjust. In the place of this, okay. Let's suppose I go here and just showing top 10. Okay. I'm not showing all 49 state data. I'm just showing top 10 data. Okay. Now we have a less data. Now you can see the names, guys. Okay. Did you see? So here the number of columns is defined by the how many number of states we have. Okay. Clear, everyone?
Will you please
Okay.
show the last tape that you did?
Here, I'm just changing here top 10.
Okay.
In the data set, because right now it's showing 49 data. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
That chart is not possible to show everything. That's why I'm just cut down the data, number of row, guys. Okay.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Now, if you see in this data, okay, we can see the state name in the bottom. Okay. But we cannot see the value here. Have you noticed, guys, here? Here, if you see that, okay, what is this? He said that, okay, Pennsylvania is the highest. Okay. But what is the sales value? I want to see the sales value here. Okay. That is called here data label, guys. Okay. So if you want to enable the data label, click on the chart. Okay. And get right click and then you get the option called show data label. Let me tell you one more time. If you want to enable the data label, okay, select the chart, right click, and you get the option called show data label. Okay. When you click on the show data label, then automatically some figure come here. That is your data label. And this is a random number, guys. This is not an actual number. He just show the placeholder. Okay. Actual value you can see when you click on the preview. Now you can see the actual number right here. Understand, my friend? And the number that's showing here, this is just a random number and it's showing the only the placeholder. Okay. So when you enable the data label, now you can go to the preview and you can see the data. Done, my friend?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you see in this data label, some value have decimal 3 places, some value have decimal 2 places, and some value have decimal more than 4 places. True, guys? So we need to fix and we need to make all the value in a one single format. How can we do, guys? We did this exercise in the table, na? Remember? Or matrix. Requirement is clear. We need a dollar symbol in front of because this is a cells and decimal 2 places. So now this is called formatting, my friend. Okay. So now if you want to format your data label, then select the data label any and right click and you can get the option called series label property. Okay. If you want to change only font color, background color, or any other things, you can say change here, guys. Okay. If you say that, okay, I want to change the font type, okay, Times New Roman, you can go here and change it. Okay, bold, italic, underline, whatever you want, you can change here. But if you want to change, like if you want to change the data type or if you want to add some dollar symbol, so right click on the data label, series label property, and you can get the option here, number and currency. Clear? And I think in your side it's showing US, huh? English US, true? And the dollar symbol. So basically it's get the information from your regional setting. In which region your laptop belongs. Okay. Now, if I go to the preview, I can see the format. Clear, my friend? Any question, any query?
Clear, sir.
Okay, let's move the next. This is called legend, my friend. Okay, so basically legend just show that, okay, which color showing which value. Let's suppose here, if we have a 2 value, then let's see, okay? So I'm just changing the query, my friend, and I'm adding 2 column here. Okay. So I'm adding 2 column here. So let's go back to the data set. And here top 10. Please everyone add this query. Okay, let me know. Now let's add. Now, so now we have one new column, and now we want to add this column into the chart. So again, click on the value plus symbol, and you can add it, guys. Clear, my friend? So in this time, okay, I'm showing that, okay, state wise, I'm going showing total sale and total profit. Okay, and now what happened? He created one more bar chart. Okay, and this bar chart showing, okay, black color, and is showing that in the chart there is a two type of bar chart. This belong to the total sale and this belong to the total profit. So basically, legend just show that, okay, what is the value showing in the chart. Clear, my friend? Any question, any query? And now, if you click on the preview, you can see the data, guys, here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any question? Yes. So now let's enable the data label and let's make a decimal 2 places. Preview. Okay. And now if you see, guys, here, some value showing in the bracket. What is meaning of this?
Negative.
It's a negative value. Yes. Clear, everyone? Any question, any query? Okay. Now, if you want to add a title on this chart, right now, there is no title here. Okay. Now we want to show that, we want to demonstrate that, okay, this chart will showing what types of value. So we can put a chart title here, guys. So here, this is a chart title, and here you can write sales versus profit by, okay, state-wise. Or you can write like this. State-wise, sales versus profit. Okay. And if you want to format, don't double click, just single click. Okay. And you can make the format, guys, here. Times New Roman, 12 pixel, bold, center line. Okay. Okay, guys. So now through this method, okay, we can show the chart title. Done, everyone?
Done, sir.
Okay. Now let's make a dashboard. Remember, in the SSRS, in the Power BI, we're making a dashboard. Dashboard means, okay, we are going to show multiple values, okay, or multiple chart type here. Okay, so let's do it, guys. So first of all, let's make a query here. Okay. So now in the requirement, okay, we have a parameter. Okay, that parameter is state name. Okay, we need to create a table that's showing, okay, state name, city, Okay, total customer and total sale. Okay, one column chart that show, okay, for that state, okay, for that state, categories and cells. Okay, one pie chart that show order year wise profit. Okay, so we have here we have a three type of visual, guys. One table, one column, and one pie chart. Clear, everyone? And all are the filtered by statement. Okay, so first of all, for the parameter, what is the query, guys? Select distinct state from order. So my friend, now for this table, what is the query? State, city, okay, total customer. Total customer means either count of customer ID or customer name. True, guys? So let's add a count. Okay. Total cells means is sum of cells. Okay. Total order means it's a count of order ID. And total profit means it's a sum of profit. And now in the last, group by on the basis of city and state. Why I'm choosing city and state only group by, guys?
They are not aggregated.
Yes. Simple rule. Very simple rule. If you are not using any aggregate function there in the column, then that column move into the group by section. Okay. This is my state wise, and we have a parameter. So guys, so where state equal to at the rate state. Clear? So this is my query for the table. Now, the next query for the column chart. So it's a category. So select category. And total sale. From order. True, guys? And we have a parameter where state. Okay. So this is a one more. And now the last one is order year and profit. Select. Okay. Order year means order date, and year part. And the group by and then we have a where clause. Okay, please everyone create the query. Okay, guys, so let's make a report. Okay, because we have all the queries. So let's take a new report. And this report name is dashboard because we are showing multiple charts here. Okay, now let's make a data source first. Now let's add a data set. The first one is DS parameter, DS state parameter. Okay, whenever you create a data set, guys, always provide a valid name that helpful for. Okay, so in this one, we are showing this one. Okay, please everyone create. Can we make the next? Okay, so this one done. Now let's make a one more parameter. This will showing the DS state-wise data. Okay, so DS table, data for table. Because this data set contain all the data that is available for the table. Okay, and now this one, my friend. And please make sure that because we are using multiple query here, so please make sure that, okay, all the parameter name need to be same and same case, guys. Look at this is my screen. Okay, all the parameter name is the same name and same case. All the first data is capital. Okay, so let's make first one DS data from table. Okay, now the next one DS data for column chart. Again, please make sure that your parameter name need to be same and same case. And now the last one for pie chart. Yes. Please, my friend. Now, first of all, let's configure the state because state need to be dropped down. Okay, true guys. And the value coming from which data set?
Query.
DS state parameter. Okay. So now our state parameter need to be dropped down and the data coming from the DS parameter. Done, my friend? Now the next step, let's make a table. So insert a table. In the table, we are showing all the data coming from the data set from table. Okay. So let's add one by one: state, city, total customer, total sale, total order, and total profit. Please everyone do it. Okay. Okay, done, guys. So let's take a review. And we got the table. True, everyone? That means table working fine. Okay. Now, the next step, we need to add a column chart. True? We need to add a column chart that's showing category and total sales. So let's go back here. Let's make some space. So for making a space, okay, you can just click on the border of whiteboard, okay, and just increase it. Okay. Right click, insert, and now we need to add a chart, column chart. Okay, my friend. And let's move the chart next to the table and let's configure. So in the value, data source. Now, because right now we have a four data sources, guys. Okay. So he just show when you click on the plus symbol, he showed data source and it show all the data set for that data source type. Okay. Because right now, if you see, we have a four data set. True. So he just asking for which data set you want what. So data set for that column. Okay. We show total sale and in the category section, we show category. Please everyone. And now enable the data label also so that we can see the figure. Okay. And now go back to the preview. Now let's select the state, view report. Now we can see the chart and table. Both are the same. Okay. Look at this. Figures are changing. Okay. Let me know once everyone done. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . .
Done, sir.
Okay. Now let's add a pie chart, the last requirement. So you can add the pie chart. Let's add a title also here, guys. So the title is category wise cell. Okay. Select Times New Roman, bold, black, and background color is yellow. Okay. Now let's add a pie chart. So again, you have two options. Either you can add the pie chart below, or you can add the pie chart in the next row, next line. So let's add a pie chart here. Insert, chart, and now pie chart. Let's make a pie chart. Again, same option, guys, here. Value, data source, pie chart, total profit, and here category, order year. And again, add the title here. Order year wise profit or yearly profit. And now preview. Okay. Look at this, guy. You are changing the value here, and the same manner, it's changing the value here in the both. So it say that in this one, okay, we have only one customer and total sale is this one, total order is one, and this all order belong to furniture. Okay, true? And let's enable the data label here, guys. Now preview. Clear, guys? Let me know once everyone done.
A quick question, Raman sir.
Sorry.
Quick question. So
Yes.
looks like we cannot add a title to the table, right?
I'm just showing that. Okay, because the by default table does not show any title.
Okay.
So I will show the another method. How could we add the title? Okay.
All right.
First of all, let's complete this design.
Sure.
Okay, how can we add a title on the table? Because by default, table does not have any title option. Okay, guys. So if you want to add a title, okay, and you want to add something, so right click here, insert, and you get the option called text box. Okay. In the text box, okay, you can type, double click, and you can type your message, whatever the message you want to show that. Okay. So let's suppose, okay, city-wide detail. For example, this is my name and I'm adding it here. Okay. And we have option here to format it. Okay. So Times New Roman, bold, Okay, and center line. Now place this one in the top of the table. Okay, this one is also near to this, and this one is also near to this. Because table does not have, by default, table does not have any title option there, guys. So we need to make a custom title. Okay, everyone?
Sorry, I missed
Got it.
it. How did you add the text box?
Yeah, right click, insert, and
Okay.
text box.
Oh, okay.
And then, okay, and then you can configure as per your choice.
Yeah.
Okay, let me know, guys, once everyone done. Okay, review. Okay, guys, so now you can see that. Okay, done. Now let me show you, okay, how the real world gives you task in SSRS. Okay, so you will get this type of requirement document, guys. Whenever you're working on the SSRS report, okay, you will get this type of data requirement. First of all, they will provide the report name, okay. Then they will provide the data sources, okay, which data source they are using, okay. Then they will provide the business objective, and then they will provide the report parameter, okay. So here we have a state parameter, that is a string, and it's multi-value allowed, okay. And they also mention that, okay, drop down, this is a drop down, and that is populated from the data set, and what is the query of data set. Okay, guys, clear? Okay,
Yes,
here
sir.
we have a two option. Either you just select all state, or you just select blank, or you just select show all. Okay, same manner we have a start date, same manner we have a end date. Okay, now data set, they also define that, okay, all the things, data set query, okay, and the report layout. First of all, page header. Okay, this is your title of your report. Okay, execution date. Okay, now parameter, they mention that label, filter by state, multi-value select, okay, and optional date range. Now table, first you need to create a summary panel. There is either table or matrix, and that's showing this data. Now sorting, data will be sorted by the total cell descending order. Okay, clear? Now below to the summary table, this matrix, below to the summary, we need to show the table that's showing these columns. And that can be sorted by the state. and then cell. Now the filter option, guys, here. Okay. So I'm sharing this document to you. Okay. And you can start working on this one. First of all, read this document. Okay. And then start working on that. So my suggestion, guys, whenever you want to work on the dashboard, first of all, find out that how many data set you need to create first. First of all, prepare the data set, then prepare the chart and the table.